See my dear students, so far we have studied about the exercise 10.2, some problems related to this exercise. Now let us move to the third one. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, say let the number be x. Its consecutive number is, let the number be x and sum equals 27. Therefore, the second number equals to 27 minus x. 27 minus x. According to the given statement, find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Product 182. Therefore, by statement x in the bracket 27 minus x equals to 182. Say 27x minus x square equals to 182. Now x square minus 27x equals to plus 182. X square minus 27x minus 182 by sign changing or multiplying by 1 minus 1. Now x square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. Then if you split that 182, that is 13 14s are both are minus. X square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 equals to 0. X in the bracket x minus 13 minus 14 in the bracket x minus 13 equals to 0. X minus 13, x minus 14 equals to 0. X minus 13 equals to 0 or x minus 14 equals to 0. X is equal to 13 or x is equal to 14. Now the numbers are x, let us say 13. Then 27 minus x, second number 27 minus x equals to 27 minus 13, that is equals to 14. See, the numbers are 13 and 14. See, find two numbers whose sum is 27. Whose sum is 13 plus 14 and 27. Then product 13 into 14 will be 182. So see the method of solution once again. See, this one is the fourth problem. Find two consecutive positive integers sum of whose squares is 365. Okay, now let us consider, let x be the integer, its consecutive integer will be x plus 1. Then sum of their squares, equals to 365. See, this one is the verbal statement. The question is in verbal format, so we have to convert it into mathematical format. Sum of the squares, that is x whole square plus x plus 1 whole square equals to 365. Let us expound this one. X square plus x plus 1, x square plus 1 plus 2x equals to 365. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 equals to 0. Okay, 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equals to 0. Now 2 in the bracket, x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. Now 0 divided by 2 means 0. So x square plus x minus 182 is the required equation. Now let us split the 182. See, 182, 13 14s are. 13 14s are, that is plus or minus. Okay, x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equals to 0. X in the bracket x plus 14 minus 13 in the bracket x plus 14 equals to 0. Now x plus 14 and x minus 13 are the two common terms. Now let us find the value of x. X plus 14 equals to 0 or x minus 13 equals to 0. X is equal to minus 13 or x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. So the two positive integers are x is equal to 13, x plus 1 13 plus 1 that is 14. 13 and 14 are the two consecutive positive integers. Say the fifth one. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. Okay, let us draw the diagram. See, altitude of a triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So let us consider base as x. 7 centimeter less, that is x minus 7. 13 centimeter hypotenuse is given. Okay, in right angle triangle. So let us mention what we have considered. Let x be the base, then altitude x minus 7. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. Therefore, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is, AC means 13 square equals to AB x minus 7 square plus BC x whole square. Okay, 169 equals to x minus 7 a minus b whole square. That is x square plus 49 minus 7 to the 14x plus x square. Okay, 169 equals to x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x, that is plus 49. Now 169 minus 49 equals to 2x square minus 14x. Say 0, 2, 1. 120 equals to 2x square minus 14x. Let us bring into standard form, that is 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equals to 0. 2 in the bracket, x square minus 7x minus 60 will be the quadratic format, that is x square minus 7x minus 6. 2 is a common term, leave that one. Now consider x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Now 60 can be split into 12 5s, that is minus plus. Okay, x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. Take x minus 12 plus 5 in the bracket, x minus 12 to 0. Now x minus 12, x plus 5 are the common terms. X minus 12 equals to 0 are the factors. X minus 12 equals to 0 or x plus 5 equals to 0. X is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 5. Since minus 5 has not been considered because that is in negative. So x, what we have considered, base. So x, that is 12 centimeter. Then altitude. Altitude is x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. So 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters are the required dimensions. So see the what procedure I have solved this one. Then you try to understand the procedures. In what way we have solved. This one is the Pythagoras theorem that deals that square on the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of remaining two terms, that is two sides. So I think you might have studied in the 9th standard. If not, you try to understand the Pythagoras statement. The square on the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Okay, in case that is only applicable for the right angle triangle, the right angle triangles. So see once again the procedure in what way I have solved. Okay, see the last one in this exercise, a cottage in the street. The number of articles, let x be the number of articles produced in a day. Then production of each article was 3 more than the twice the number of production of articles. That is 3 more than the twice. It is 2x plus 3. Therefore, by statement, equals to x into 2x, 2x square equals to 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. 180 we have to split. That is 180. We have to split such that 15,000. Okay, see this exercise 10.2 is completed. Tomorrow we shall continue with the 10.3.